Hello, it is Tammy Jones with Eisman Property Management and Realty coming at you today to give you a little insight on an education thing that I've learned recently and want to share with all of my friends, family, and clients. Tax time is here, right? We're all freaking out, filing our taxes, needing every little deduction we can get. Phones, that's one of them. You can write that stuff off if you own your own business. But I wanted to bring a couple things to you. First of all, I have to disclose I am not a tax specialist or an accountant. So please verify these information with your specialist. But here's a couple ideas. Donations, events. When you do make a donation, I know everybody knows about Goodwill and the Red Cross and so forth. Those places you can write off deductions, but also if you make a baked good for an event like a benefit dinner and you need to write off your grocery items, your brownies that you made, keep those receipts. Take that to your accountant and say, I made a donation. Okay? Also, sports camps. I send my kids to camp in the summer. I do pay daycare expenses. Both my husband and I work. So if both parents work and you send your kids to a camp during the day, it's the same idea as daycare. That is an expense. Talk to your accountant about that. If you paid state taxes last year, make sure you tell your accountant this year, hey, I paid X amount into the state last year, so that it checks and balances. Another thing, energy upgrades. If you've replaced your windows recently, your roof, appliances, many of these things, doors, have energy efficient ratings on them. The government will give you some tax credit for those things to improve the energy of your home. So you check with your accountant before you buy them, your contractor, make sure they are the right thing. I'm not sure, I'm not a specialist again in that avenue, but I know you can get that as a tax deduction. Also, I just learned this is really cool. IRAs or health savings accounts. All right, I deduct, I itemize. When you on or before April 1st, I believe is the date, April 15th maybe, before your taxes are due, let's say you owe $5,000 to the government in federal tax. You can open an IRA or a health savings account and put $5,000 in it to counterset it, to offset that balance. So I'm not a lot of educated into that. I've done my research and confirmed this with a couple accountants here locally, and some other entrepreneurs, and they agree that this can happen. So ask your accountant, call them up and say, how much am I going to owe? Can I put that money in the IRA and offset it? So there you go. There's a few tidbits I've learned today. I do want to give a shout out to thanks to the Malia show. She started me on this journey to make this live feed and video. So you'll have to check her page out too. Thank you. Have a great day.